Hi everyone, it's me again, Rose, and welcome to my channel, Pikkuhiljaa with Rose. And for today's video, guys, you know what? I've been living in Finland for 2 years and 3 months now, and I still cannot say or pronounce Finnish words correctly, but I'm practicing every day, and it's a challenge for me to pronounce the words correctly, to remember the vocabulary or the exact words in Finnish, and how to say in grammar properly and understand the person I'm talking to or everybody in the room, understand everybody in the room. So that's my everyday challenge here in Finland. Every day when I go to work or when I go outside in the store, I'm practicing to listen to the Finnish way of talking. It's still hard, but I'll get there. Pikkuhiljaa. And today, I've decided to practice Finnish pronunciation because it's so hard for me, especially if there are two letters. Because in Finnish, as you know, you all know, I'm not a Finnish, as you all know how the Finnish to long and short sounds like. And just a disclaimer, guys, I'm not a Finnish teacher. I'm not good in Finnish. I'm just practicing my Finnish language skills here in Finland. So I decided today to practice the short and long sounds in Finnish. And let's see. I have here so I have this one. A, a, e, e, u, u. Again. A, a, e, e, u, u. Can you differentiate the difference? The first one is one letter, and then other one is there are two letters. So you have to prolong. If the letters are two, you have to prolong it. For example, a, e, u, 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 u. Let me practice again. A, e, u, u. A, u, u. And then I have here words. Here I have sata, 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 yo, on, kukka, kukka, tilin, tilin, päätä, päätä. And then mutta, muuta, muuttaa. Oh, for me, for 2 years living here in Finland, these four words for me sound exactly the same. But if you're going to pronounce it properly in Finnish, they are different words with different meanings. So let's try again. Mutta, muuta, muuttaa. First one, mutta, it's mud. Mutta, mud. Mutta, muta. They sound the same for me. Mutta, mud. Mutta, but. Muuta, something else. And muuttaa, to move. Okay? Mutta, muuttaa. Muuttaa. No niin. Next one, we have tuli, tuuli, and tuli. Tuli means fire. Tuuli means wind. And tulli means customs office. Tulli, tuuli, tulli. And then we have uni, uuni, ja uuniin. Uni means dream. Uuni, oven. Uuniin, to the oven. Okay. And then we have sa, 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 and sa. Sa means you, sa. Or in the formal Finnish is sinä, sinä, sinä. But here it's sa, you, sa. And sa, the weather. Sää on hyvä tänään. The weather is not good today. Sää. Yeah, sä oot kaunis. Sä oot kaunis. You are beautiful. Okay, it's a little easy. This one, next one we have typpi. Typpi. And we have tyyppi. And typerä. Typpi, it means nitrogen. Tyyppi. Tyyppi, it means type. And typerä, it means stupid. Stupid. And then we have 100. 100. 100. 100. 100. And 100. 100. The first one is 100. It means 100. 100. It's raining. And 100 might. It might rain in the morning. So you can say aamulla 100. Aamulla 100. 100. Is it correct? Aamulla 100. 100. Aamulla 100. 100. Anyway, I need more practice. And I have here also musiikki, music, and musiikko, musician. Musiikki, muusikko. And then laatu, laata. I have also liika, liikaa, liika, 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 liikaa, liika, liikka, liikaa. Kursiivi, kurssi, kurssiin. No niin. Now let's practice phrases. Let's go again. In Finnish it's mennään uudestaan. Mennään uudestaan. And this one. Aamulla saattaa sataa. Then we have nähdään illalla. See you in the evening. Nähdään illalla. Then we have palataan asiaan. Let's get back to it. Palataan asiaan. And then nukuuko lapset jo? Nukuuko lapset jo? Are the children already asleep? Nukuuko lapset jo? Joo, nukuu. So, I hope I can remember those words when I say it, and I hope I can pronounce them correctly. So let's just practice every day, because life here in Finland is uncertain. Elämä Suomessa on epävarma, siksi mun pitää harjoitella puhumaan joka päivä, koska haluaisin puhua sujuvasti tulevaisuudessa. No niin, kiitos kun katsoit. Nähdään kaikille. Moi moi!